Next, derivation of minimum number of teeth on gear to avoid interference. So pinion turn clockwise and drives the gear as shown in figure 6.7. The points M and N are called interference points, that is, point takes place where beyond M and N interference will occur. The limiting value of attendant circle is pinion OTN and the limiting value of attendant circle is gear ONM. Therefore, they consider critical here to determine the number of teeth required. So let pi be a pressure angle, R is the pitch circle radius of gear, M capital T by 2, small r is the pitch circle radius of pinion, M T by 2, T is the number of teeth on gear, small t is the number of teeth on pinion, M is module. AW is the random cost of gear, AP is the random cost of pinion, AWM is the random of gear, AWM is the random of pinion, gear ratio G is T by T. Now join O1M from triangle O1MP and applying cosine rule. O1M square is O1P square plus PM square minus 2 O1PM cos O1PM. So O1P square plus O2P square sin square pi minus 2 O1 O2P sin pi cos 90 plus pi is equals to O1P square plus sin square pi to O1 OP sin square pi r square plus r sin square pi plus 2 r sin square pi. So r square is common, 1 plus r by r square, 2 r by r sin square pi, r square is 1 plus r by r sin square pi, r by r plus 2. 1 m equals to r 1 plus r by r sin square pi, r by r plus 2 square root, mt by 2 1 plus t by t sin square pi, t by t plus 2 square root, mt by 2 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2 square root, because g is t by t. O1m O1p plus addendum r plus awm, mt by 2 plus emw. So mt by 2 by emw equals mt by 2 in the bracket square root of 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2. Ew equals to t by 2 plus t1 plus g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2 square root minus t by 2. So t by 2 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus square root minus 1. So the number of year teeth required to avoid interference t equals to 2 into Aw upon 1 plus square root of 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2 square root minus 1, where number of t equals to t by g. If t equals to t, then 2 Aw 1 plus 3 sin square pi square root minus 1.